Hello, this is Vicki from Rolling Harvest Food Rescue with another episode of What's Cooking. Today we are preparing a delightful corn zucchini salad. First, prepare your corn. If using fresh corn on the cob, there are two ways you can cook it. One is to boil your corn while still on the cob for approximately 2 minutes. Then cut the kernels off the cob. Or you can cut the kernels off the raw cob and then boil those kernels for 1 minute. Now cut your zucchini into small cubes or thin slices. Cut the onion into thin half-moon slices. Now prepare the red or orange pepper by dicing or thinly slicing. Now it's time to prepare your dressing. And I'm making an easy vinaigrette today. I like making my salad dressing in glass jars because it's so easy to shake the dressing and then store any leftovers in the refrigerator for later use. Squeeze your lemon and add a 1/4 cup to your jar. You could also use apple cider vinegar in place of the lemon if you choose. Add a 1/4 cup vegetable or olive oil, 1 teaspoon spicy mustard, salt and pepper to taste, and shake. In a medium bowl, toss together the corn, zucchini, onions, and bell pepper. As an option, you could add some chopped herbs such as oregano or thyme or basil. Add the dressing and toss the salad really well. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining my colleagues Edie Koznowski, Jill Kelly, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. Please check out our website at www.rollingharvest.org for more information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue.